Good morning, Mr. Bueno.
Morning.
Sir, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
On October 19th of 2024, officers observed and heard the defendant's motor vehicle strike the middle lane and begin swerving into lanes, trying to gain back its control at the 5200 block of Fairmont Parkway. Officers approached the motor vehicle to check on the welfare of the defendant, who is the driver and sole occupant. Upon contact, officers observed signs of intoxication, namely slurred speech and odor of alcohol in the breath on the defendant. The defendant did admit to drinking. SFSTs were conducted, 6 out of 6 on the horizontal gaze and nystagmus, 4 out of 8 on the walk and turn, and 2 out of 4 on the one-leg stand. DICs were read. The defendant consented to breath. The breath results were 0.125, 0.120.
Okay.
And this defendant is driver's license eligible, Judge.
Any prior DWIs?
No, Judge, no criminal history.
Okay. Mr. Bueno, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. You have a valid Texas driver license.
No, not currently, no.
Let me run the LCIC to be sure, Judge.
Yeah. If you do not have a Texas driver license, you're not allowed to drive, and I am making that a condition of your bond. You must have liability insurance as well. Unless you have both, you're not to drive. If I find that you drive, I'm going to put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You will be signing an affidavit with me today. This is a promise that you're going to make. I don't care what's going on in your life. You cannot justify getting in a car for any reason.
All right.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I see that he is eligible, Judge. He may not have one now, but it's not suspended.
Okay, get a license, get liability insurance, and then we will let you drive. I'm also ordering you not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. We're going to randomly test you. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or kind of illegal drugs, I'll put you in jail. No more PR bonds for you.
Yes, sir.
How old are you, sir?
Just turned 21 last month.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a framer in a refinery.
How much money do you make a month?
Right now 17 an hour.
Who do you live with?
My mother.
You pay rent?
Yes, sir.
How much do you pay rent a month?
350.
Okay. You may be able to hire a lawyer. I want you to start looking around. Okay. If you have any issues, come back and we can talk. But I mean, if you're making 17 an hour, you work full time, right?
Yes, sir.
So you're making what, $4,000 a month then? Give or
Around
take,
there.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, you have to qualify for an appointed lawyer. You have to be at the poverty guideline. And so, I mean, you're doing great, which is a good thing, but I don't think you necessarily qualify. So start talking around with lawyers. You need to do it quick. This is a DWI. There's a lot of timing requirements. So don't wait a month or two because you're only hurting yourself.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to have you sign this affidavit. After that, I'm going to have you go to Victoria, sign and reset. After that, you'll go to pretrial for your bond conditions. And after that, you'll be free to go. When you come back, please have a lawyer. Okay? All right.
All right.